Making money online has become increasingly accessible with the advancement of technology and the internet, whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or establish a full-time income. There are various avenues you can explore to achieve your financial goals. In this guide, we'll explore several methods to help you make $1,000 online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing offers a flexible way to make money online by offering your skills and services to clients. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to showcase your talents in writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more. Create a compelling profile highlighting your expertise and start bidding on projects that match your skills. With dedication and quality work, you can build a steady stream of clients and earn $1,000 or more per month. 2. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research studies can be a simple way to earn extra income. Websites like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Pinnacone research reward users for sharing their opinions on various products and services. While the earnings per survey may be modest, consistent participation can add up to $1,000 over time. 3. Sell products online. If you have a knack for crafting or sourcing unique products, consider selling them online through platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or customized merchandise, there's a market for almost everything online. Invest time in creating high-quality listings, optimizing product descriptions, and providing excellent customer service to maximize your sales and reach your $1,000 goal. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services offered by other companies and earning a commission for each sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. You can join affiliate programs of popular brands and promote their products through your website, blog, social media channels, or email list. Focus on building trust with your audience and recommending products that align with their interests to increase your earning potential. 5. Create and sell digital products. You have expertise in a particular area. Consider creating digital products such as books, online courses, templates, or software tools. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy allow you to sell your digital products to a global audience. Invest time in creating valuable content that addresses specific pain points or solves problems for your target audience. And promote your products through various marketing channels to generate sales. 6. Freelance writing. Content is in high demand online, and freelance writing can be a lucrative way to earn money from your writing skills. You can write articles, blog posts, copywriting, or technical documentation for businesses and publications, websites like PropBlogger. Freelance writing jobs and Cantina list freelance writing opportunities across different niches. Polish your writing skills. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work and pitch to potential clients to secure writing gigs that can help you reach your $1,000 goal. 7. Offer online tutoring or coaching. If you excel in a particular subject or have expertise in a specific area, you can offer online tutoring or coaching services to students or professionals. Platforms like Tutor.com, Shake Tutors, and Coach.me connect tutors and coaches with learners seeking personalized guidance. Set your rates, create engaging learning materials, and leverage your expertise to help others while earning money online. 8. Start a YouTube channel or podcast. Creating engaging content on platforms like YouTube or podcasting can not only be rewarding creatively, but also financially. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and create high-quality videos or audio content that resonates with your target audience. Once you build a loyal following, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, merchandise sales, or crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. 9. Virtual assistants. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are in need of virtual assistants to help with administrative tasks. Customer support, social media management, and more. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and virtual assistant jobs list opportunities for virtual assistants with varying skill sets. Highlight your organizational skills, attention to detail, and ability to multitask to attract clients and earn $1,000 or more per month as a virtual assistant. 10. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. Investing in stocks, mutual funds, or cryptocurrency can be a way to grow your wealth over time, while it carries risks. Educating yourself about the fundamentals of investing and conducting thorough research can help you make informed decisions. Start with a small amount of capital, diversify your investments, and consider a long-term strategy to potentially reach your $1,000 goal through capital appreciation.